The Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler. The Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler is a high-tech system designed as a whole house solution. The system uses capacitive electronic impulses generated by an electronic unit to descale the pipes and appliances, reducing the negative effects of hard water. The easy, clean installation makes it a great choice for homeowners and small businesses alike. A key differentiator of the Yarna is that it works at any water hardness level. Unlike many competitors, the Yarna has no max hardness limit, making it perfect for well water and extra hard water conditions. And the Yarna works with any pipe up to 1 inch, whether iron, copper, stainless steel, plastic, PVC, or PEX. Because the system doesn't remove any of the minerals that are actually good for your body, you can rest assured that your water will be healthier and safe to drink while improving skin and hair. Best of all, the Yarna CWD24 comes with a risk-free 1-year guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk-free. Whether you're a homeowner or a small business owner, the Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler is a great choice for descaling your water. The easy installation and low maintenance make it a popular choice, and the reasonable price point makes it our top choice for electronic descalers. Here are the pros. Designed as a whole house water treatment solution. There is no max water hardness limit. Risk-free 365-day money-back guarantee. Easy installation in less than 15 minutes. It works on any kind of pipe. There's only one con, a slightly higher price point than some of the simpler competitive models. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.